If you don't properly modernize facilities, provide the required workforce, and provide efficient correctional services, you will be releasing problems. The reason why there is always a problem sa jails, nagsisiksikan. Siyempre magkakainitan yan, mag-aaway, magkakasakit. If you don't properly modernize facilities, provide the required workforce, and provide efficient correctional services, you will be releasing problems. To make rehabilitation more effective, we must see it as a continuum, where from the moment of incarceration to the PDL's reintegration, agencies are provided with the necessary resources. This includes better facilities, more trained personnel, psychosocial support, and adequate legal aid. The Justice Sector Coordinating Council really plays an important role here because justice is not only rendered by the courts. Nandyan muna yung police to the prosecution, then to the courts, and then correctional, and then to the community. Lahat yan nangangailangan ng budget. Let us all help in the rehabilitation of PDLs because anyone, from the lowest to the highest citizen, can go to prison. Anyone.